And Elohim spake all these words, saying, I am Adonai your Elohim, who brought out of the land of Egypt out of the house of bondage. You shall have no other God before me. You shall not make for yourselves a graven image, nor the form of anything that is in heaven above, or that in the earth beneath, or that in the water under the earth. You shall not bow down to them, nor be induced to serve them. For I, Adonai Elohim, am a zealous Elohim, visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children, upon the third and upon the fourth generation of them that hate me, but showing loving kindness to the 1,000th generation of them that love me and keep my commandment. You shall not take the name of Adonai Elohim in vain, for Adonai will not hold him guiltless that takes his name in vain. Remember the Shabbat day to keep it holy, 6 days shall labor do all your work, but the 7th day is Shabbat unto Adonai Elohim. You shall not anyone either you, nor your son, nor your daughter, nor your manservant, nor your maidservant, nor your cattle, nor your stranger that is within your gate. For instance, that I made heaven and earth, they see and know that is in them, and the rest on the 7th day, therefore Adonai bless the Shabbat, hallowed it. Honor your father, your mother, that your days may belong upon the land which Allah gives you. You shall not murder, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor, you shall not convert your neighbor's house, you shall not convert your neighbor's wives, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his horse, nor his ass, nor anything that is yours. This is the Torah of the Most High. Blessed be his name, for he has given us this Torah for us to keep it. It is a source, it is the source of our life. May his name be blessed. Shabbat Shalom.